At sa puntong ito, I would like to call on Vice Mayor Angelo Tumini. Please join me here. Kasi kakantahan na namin ang happy birthday. Nasa na yung nasa na yung cake? Cake, please. Ayan, so everyone, let's sing happy birthday to our dear Vice Mayor. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, let's go, huh? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah, so happy birthday, guys. Please make a wish. Yeah, so si Vice Mayor Angelo nag-celebrate sa kanyang birthday ko isang araw. Nagkataon, I was out of town, so I couldn't greet you. Ayaw ko siyang i-greet sa Facebook lang kasi mas gusto ko, tandahan ko siya kasi gusto ko maramdaman ni Vice kung gaano ko siya kamahal. Dahil si Vice Mayor Angelo has been a very, very good Vice Mayor. He's someone I trust and someone I can count on, and has really been so helpful to me as we run the city of San Juan. So it is a sincere greeting for you, Vice. May you be blessed with good health and many more years to come.